Figured I'd do a quick video. You guys can see me driving it, so you know the car does drive. Drives like no problem at all. I was telling you guys, I don't know what the clattering is. It's not clattering right now. Runs just fine. Give it gas, downshifts just fine. Just keeps driving like it's supposed to. Quiet. No noise whatsoever. This car is so quiet. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's the torque converter rattling and clanking when it's in neutral or park. Drives just fine, sorry about that. Drives like there's nothing wrong with it. So I know when I rebuilt this transmission, I did it the right way. So I don't know, guys. I'm at total loss at this point. I mean, I know it's probably something stupid, something simple. The car runs and drives fine. I rebuilt the transmission at exactly 166 404, I believe. And I've literally put less than 10 miles on the car since the rebuild. Neutral though, listen, neutral. Slight clattering. Reverse, it goes away. You can't even feel the thing shift into gear. But it kind of, you can feel it going like when it's going in reverse. So you can hear it now, the clattering. Put it in reverse, stops, put it in neutral, it's doing it again, put it in drive, stops, maybe just a case bearing, I have no clue at this point.